हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश विद रेडी। मैं हूं मिस रेडी। आज हम इस वीडियो में ऐसे बेसिक एंड स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स को कवर करेंगे विच आर वेरी कॉमन एंड वी यूज़ इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ। सो गाइज, इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ना, देन आपको इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चंस करते आना ही चाहिए। ऑल्सो यू नीड टू लर्न कि उन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कैसे करना है। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यही क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स आपको इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने में हेल्प करेंगे। सो गाइज, नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? आई एम डूइंग वेल, थैंक यू। हाउ आर यू? आई एम डूइंग वेल, थैंक यू। हाउ आर यू? नॉट ग्रेट, यू से। नॉट ग्रेट, यू से। व्हाट्स अप these days? What's up these days? Nothing much. What's up with you? Nothing much. What's up with you? Nothing special. Same old things. Nothing special. Same old things. How is your family? How is your family? Everyone is good. Thank you. Everyone is good. Thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. I am from Mumbai. How was your day? How was your day? It was fine. It was fine. So far, so good. So far, so good. Not so good. Don't ask. Not so good. Don't ask. How about your work? How about your work? It's going well. It's going well. Just fine. Just fine. We are madly busy. We are madly busy. Do you enjoy your work? Do you enjoy your work? Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot. Are you ill? Are you ill? Yes, I am feeling sick. Yes, I am feeling sick. Yes, I have a fever. Yes, I have a fever. Yes, I have a headache. Yes, I have a headache. What's wrong? What's wrong? Nothing. I am tired. Nothing. I am tired. Nothing. I need some rest. Nothing. I need some rest. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? I am feeling better. I am feeling better. Still, I am not feeling well. Still, I am not feeling well. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 25. I am 25. When were you born? When were you born? I was born in 1998. I was born in 1998. January 15, 1998. January 15, 1998. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in Mumbai. I was born in Mumbai. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on August 1st. My birthday is on August 1st. My birthday is on 1st of August. My birthday is on 1st of August. Are you single or married? Are you single or married? I am single, and you? I am single, and you? I am married, and you? I am married, and you? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have a brother and a sister. Yes, I have a brother and a sister. No, there is just me. No, there is just me. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I don't have any siblings. I don't have any siblings. Yes, I have two siblings. Yes, I have two siblings. What's your job? What's your job? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I am a student. I am a student. I am a job seeker. I am a job seeker. I am jobless. I am jobless. What do you do? What do you do? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. I work for a company. I work for a company. I am a housewife. I am a housewife. I run my own business. I run my own business. Which company do you work for? Which company do you work for? I work for Microsoft. I work for Microsoft. How much do you get paid? How much do you get paid? My salary is 8 lakhs per annum. My salary is 8 lakhs per annum. What time do you go to office? What time do you go to office? I go at 10 a.m. I go at 10 a.m. How do you get to work? How do you get to work? I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I drive to work. I drive to work. How far is it from here? How far is it from here? It takes about 10 minutes by car. It takes about 10 minutes by car. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny and nice. It's sunny and nice. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's quite cold. It's quite cold. It's raining. It's raining. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am at work. I am at work. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Arijit Singh. My favorite singer is Arijit Singh. The one and only Atif Aslam. The one and only Atif Aslam. I don't know. All are good. I don't know. All are good. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are playing basketball and reading books. My hobbies are playing basketball and reading books. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I enjoy reading in my free time. I enjoy reading in my free time. I usually spend time with friends. I usually spend time with friends. सो गाइज़ ये वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबी ना हो इसलिए मैं इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट कल अपलोड कर रही हूँ जिसमें मैंने और भी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड सिंपल क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स को कवर किया हुआ है. आई रियली वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू वॉच दैट वीडियो टू. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर करें और अगर आपने मेरे इस चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें एंड साथ वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. सो बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.